I am going to do an unboxing and a quick review on the Parrot mini drone. This is the hydrofoil drone. So you have a small drone that you can fly, as well as attached to the hydrofoil. You should be able to have some fun around the pool or in the water. So I believe this was around 150 bucks retail. I might just put a link in the description. So if you like what you see, go ahead and check it out. This would probably be a fantastic toy if you have a backyard pool. Fly the drone and use it as a hydrofoil. We'll see how this one goes. All right, let's try and open this. Looks like a yacht, doesn't it? So you get your hydrofoil with some, it's quite heavy. It's got a bit of metal in it. It's plastic, but it's got a bit of metal. So that'll let it sit nicely on the water. In the center of gravity down low, I guess. All right, so you get your drone. I'll give that a whirl, and you've got side stabilizing things, and I think that's where it attaches to that. That's the hydrofoil, and you've got some cables, screwdriver. All right, got some, okay, quick guide. Attach this onto they all the same? Yes, they are. So you get a nice screwdriver. I think it's pretty simple. Kids can do this. Probably don't want it too tight. You just squash the foam. Alright, so that's done. And it goes this way. So you've got 4 screws going in here. So that flips up like that when the drone gets attached. You attach this at the back. And then you have these pieces here. They don't give any extra screws, so be careful not to lose them. So that's done. While that was being done, I charged the unit. So I've got this app up and running. It's an app called Parrot Free Flight Mini. Launch that. You should connect your drone. Yep, establishing connection. So I have it connected now. Let's try with no hole. Got a bit of battery left. Let's give it a whirl. All right, I'm gonna take off. It says throw it. I'm gonna throw it. Whoa! That's pretty damn close. Let's make it shoot. Going up high. That's the limit. So it's not going any higher than that. And when you try and drop it, there you go. Alright, so as a drone, it's not too bad. You'll have kids having fun. But now, let me attach this to the hydrofoil. It's in the water.
Oh, my ass. Oh, that's sick. What the hell?
Doesn't have a good turning circle though.
Oh, that's It's like foam. It's like above the
It's
water.
yeah, it's hydrofoil.
Oh.
See, it lifts out of the water.